Hello everyone. This video we are going to look top 10 stockbrokers in UAE. The report has been released by Dubai Financial Market, that is DFM. It is one of the exchange in UAE for January 2025. What are the top 10 stockbrokers? Okay, that is what the thing we are going to look in this video. Okay, so from here, based on number of trades which broker will be higher, okay, based on trade value which broker is higher, these kind of all detail we are going to look. And each and every month for DFM they will release for these kind of top brokers. Okay, so January month these kind of brokers will be top 10. So this is what the continuation like that, you should not think that. Okay, so each and every month they will release for the report. So it is not a stable one. Okay, sometimes the number of account will be increased for respective broker, automatically the trade is also will increase. Okay, so such kind of things will be happen. So this is the report has been released only for the January. So without making delay, let me go inside and we can look what are the stock brokers. Okay, let's see. The stock brokers, normally we know we are making a trading account over there, right, in order to make for buy and sell. So without having broking account we cannot trade whatever the country as you are entering into an stock market. Okay, so the first stock broker over here, EFG Herbs. Okay, so their traded value will be 6 billion. Okay, in terms of percentage, if you are calculating in a sense overall trade value, it will be 24.6 percentage, and number of trade has been done in a month for January 150,065. Okay, 1,50,065 trades taken, okay, for this respective broker. And number 2 will be BHM Capital, that is 2 billion. Okay, in terms of percentage for traded value, how they have given these figure in a sense in order to traded value. Okay, the number of trades has been high while compare with all the brokers they have been listed under DFM. Okay, so some brokers they listed under DFM as well as for ADX also, but this report only for DFM, that is Dubai Financial Market. Okay, so for the second rank will be BHM Capital. Okay, that's not a serial number, and from here, okay, it will be a rank. Okay, so second rank will be BHM Capital, traded value 2 billion, and in terms of value percentage will be 10.30. so number of trades happen 53,452, and number 3 is Arcom Securities, it is in 2 billion. Okay, in percentage 10.03, and number of trades will be 90,000 trades. Okay, 90,845 trades in the month of January. And number 4, Emirates NBD Securities. Okay, it's around 2 billion traded value, and for percentage 8.24, and number of trades happen 63,008 trades. Okay, and number 5, BHM Capital Market Maker. You can look over here, BHM Capital is available as well as BHM Capital Market Maker. So who is a market maker? In a sense, broker is also acting as a market maker, or individual also making as a market maker, and institutionals as well as wholesale trading they are doing, right, and those person also coming under market maker. And if you're raising a query, what's the difference between these two? In a sense, market maker, one who's holding for more money and they will make it for liquidity in a market. Of what is liquidity? Liquidity in a sense, you're holding for the share. Suppose you're thinking you need to return back your money, you need to sell it. Okay, in the opponent party should be available in the market, that time only you can make share into cash. So who will provide more liquid in the market? In a sense, that is a market makers. And normally the people will say for stock market it is a gambling, right? Why they are telling? In a sense, suddenly some stock it will go up and suddenly it will come down. Okay, and say for example, I will show you over here in Indian stock market also market makers is available. So if you're looking these kind of people, okay, Aiden Finstock Private Limited, Ajcon Global Service Limited. So number of market makers are available. These market makers are required for respective exchange. Okay, in order to make for liquidity, that is very very important. But in some cases these market makers they will do for this kind of activity. Say for example, I will show you this is one type of stock, Takaful. It's listed in ADX. Okay, the share price is 5.25. you can look the movement of this respective stock for 1 day. Let me take it even for 5 days. For 1 day it is 10.99%. there should be a movement is available, and 5 days 13% movement. But from here suddenly it goes up and suddenly come down, right? So normally it took for a particular day. Today happened for only four trades only happened. Okay, so who's holding for huge money, they can decide for the market. If you're studying for stock market related books and all, it has mentioned as the person holding for more money, they can rule for a market. In Harshat Mehta scam and all, have you studied and all, you could know all the detail. Okay, so if you're holding for a million and trillion billions, they can rule for a market in certain extent. And this market makers, not all market makers, they will do such kind of things. Okay, so that's the thing I told you, three type of market makers is available: retail, institutional, as well as wholesalers also. So for retail institutional investors also, they will do such kind of things. Okay, so if they're holding for more money, suddenly they will create for buying as well as for selling also. So what is the benefit they will get it in a sense? These two difference. Okay, these buy as well as sell, these two difference we call it as for spread. Okay, that difference they will make for money. And as the same way, why I am telling this one, and another stock I have selected from here, ADCB, you can look. This is also one day chart. See the movement, because from here lot of buyers as well as sellers available, because the chart pattern is also going up as well as down, and some way saturation. Okay, so even from here 10 o'clock to until 14.55, how many bend as well as ups happened. But while you're comparing on same day with the one day chart, if you're looking in a sense, suddenly it goes up as well as fall down. Okay, see here the chart pattern. So we can say for market makers involved for a particular transaction as well as for institutional investors, okay, these kind of who's holding for lump sum amount, they can decide for buy and sell in the market. Those people we can call it as market makers. So these people are making liquidity in the market. These people is necessary in a market. Okay, so if you're asking for Indian market, these people are available. Yes, exactly, those people are available. Okay, so from here, so BHM Capital is a broker. In broker point of view, in market maker is also available. Okay, so automatically they knows, say for example, we are all retail investors, right? So as a retail investor, lot of retail investors, how many of them make for buy order, and number of how many of them made for sell orders, they knows. So based on that also they will make for order booking. Okay, bid as well as for ask, they can do it. Bid in a sense buy, and ask in a sense sell. Okay, that is other name. And from here they have done for 26,991 trades. So right now you know what is, who's a market maker. Okay, so I have shown for two example of the share also in a detailed way. You can go through it for market makers. It will be helpful to you as you are a investor. Okay, so some people, they will buy a stock and suddenly it will fall down for a number of months. Okay, because of these kind of market makers. So without studying these things, if you are taking a position in a sense, you need to hold the stock until it is recovered. Okay, let's come to a topic. And for sixth broker will be number 6th rank will be ADIB Securities, and traded value is 1 billion, and in terms of percentage is 5.09%, and number of trades happen 42,748 trades. Okay, and for the next broker, Alrams Capital, they are also 1.2 billion. Okay, 4.46% in terms of percentage value for traded value, and number of trades done for 16,795 trades. And for Fab Securities, it's 1.2 billion, and trade percentage 4.34, and number of trades 14,897. And number 9 will be XQ Market Maker. See here the another market maker, XQ. Okay, and this people done for 1.2, and percentage 4.32, and number of trades done 24,682. And last will be Alrams Capital, because from here I took for only top 10 people only, and other people is also available, but we need to focus for top 10, and we can go through it for next month also, and who is coming for the top. Okay, so this person is also a market maker, that is Alrams Capital, and traded value will be 7 million. Okay, 7.7 million. So their percentage is 2, that is 2.78%. Number of trades done for 23,505. Okay, these are all the trades done over there. So right now we looked who are all the top 10 brokers in UAE in January 2025. Right now you get an idea, because some of the people, they raised a query in the comment box also, which broker is good, which broker is bad. Here who's good, who's bad, not like that. Okay, so whoever registered under the exchange, we can go ahead. Okay, that respective broker, we can open an account, we can trade it. But these kind of detail will be helpful which broking firm having more trades happened. Okay, so a lot of trade happen in a sense, the frequency, the movement, everything will be well and good. Okay, by that way we can take a decision, and based upon that and you can make a query in Barris International Security. It's in 14th place. Maybe we can expect for the next month it will be coming under the top 10 list. Okay, so I think this information will be helpful to you. If it is helpful in a sense, you can give a like. Okay, I can do for more video regarding this, as well as for more related about UAE stock market, as well as general stock market information, because people are watching but you're not giving for any information. Only few of them are providing. So if you're providing in a sense, it is well and good, as well as it's encouraging for do more videos. Okay, if you're a first time viewer, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch for getting all insights. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.